How to buy ETF on Interactive Brokers 2025. So once you have enough cash in the core currency, you have to buy some VO ETF shares or any other ETF. You can use the search function from the top right of the interface. So something like this. Then you can type the VO or the name of any other ETF you wish to buy shares from and type enter. Interactive Brokers will propose several options like these over here. ETFs are listed as stock, and sometimes you will also see several exchanges. There we want the stock on the RCA exchange, which should look a bit something like this. So if all these values over here confuse you, this is pretty much what they mean over here. So the 266.42 is the current market price. Negative 0.06, which should be this thing over here, is the last change of the market price in absolute value. Then negative 0.02% is the last change of the market price in percent. In red, you will find the ask volume and the ask price, 266.70. And in blue, you will find the bid volume and the bid price. And the fact that it's written frozen data is because of this. You did not pay to get real-time data for this specific particular market, or it could also mean that they are trading out of hours. So if you are a passive investor, you'll only need to worry about the current price. You can ignore all the other information. But anyways, then you need to set amount you want and limit price. Since it's a trade, you can use several order types like market limit stop and stop limit. If you are trading with a popular ETF, you can use a market order. Then the execution on IB is good enough that you will not have issues with market orders. Otherwise, you can use limit orders, and you can use this limit price based on the current data, but be careful not to try to optimize too much. They only use market orders, which is simple and not nearly as inefficient as some people think. You can also set the duration of the order. Either the order is valid until today or good till cancel. So it is advised to use the preview option to ensure that you want the operation, and the view will give you all the information you want about the order. You need to pay special attention to the amount and then the commission over here. For instance, they would have paid this for the purchase of 20 shares only, and they would have only paid fees between 0.31 and 0.41 USD. Once satisfied with your order, click submit to validate it and wait for it to be executed. So if you use a market order and stock change exchange is open, IB will instantly execute. IB will execute a limit order based on the price you set, and if you set a price higher than the current price, it will also be executed instantly. Then that's pretty much it. You now have shares of your ETF, and you can pretty much follow this simple process in order to buy an ETF on an Interactive Brokers. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.